This problem is black to play, and the goal, of course, is to save these black stones by capturing white's 5 stone here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So once again, we have a ton of throw-ins, right? So here, 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 and here. So this one will not be super useful, and this one won't be necessary either. Really, it's just these two. And all we need to do is to do these two throw-ins in order. And in this particular problem, the order does not seem to matter. Of course, you can correct me if I'm wrong. So if we do this, this is an Atari on this white stone. So white cannot connect. Otherwise, black can capture this white stone and win this race to capture very easily. So white can play here. And now black will throw in again. And white will capture. And now black will be able to create a connect and die pattern for white. Right? White cannot connect. Otherwise, it will all be captured. And if white tries the capture race, it doesn't work either because black has 3 liberties and white only has 2 left. This will not work for white. So now let's see if the order of the throw-ins matter or not. If black plays here, then this is also an Atari. So white really have to answer as well, either here or this capture. It's the same. And now black throws in again, and white captures. So this will actually be the same, right? If white connects, this will be a connect and die situation. One more time. If white tries to connect, white has to connect from the outside first. But once again, too late. This will be a connect and die situation. So the best white can do really is to just leave it here, right? After black plays number 5, white can just leave it here and not sacrifice more stones than these 5. So this is overall a pretty easy problem because plenty of throw-ins and the order doesn't even matter here. Once you master throwing in, you will find these problems pretty easy. Sometimes it's not just one throw-in, it's 2, 3, or even multiple throw-ins, and we're going to see more throw-ins in the coming patterns. Thank you for watching.